My dear friends, thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Ayla Chinex, and today we are diving deep into BTC pair with USDT price actions. We will discuss support, resistance levels, liquidity zone, candlestick patterns, and much more. So stay tuned till the end. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much, everyone. And right now, BTC is currently trading 1,16,434.5 and change is positive $2,333.3, positive 2.404%, 24 highest price 1,16,444.3, and 24 lowest price 1,13,583.4, and 24 volume BTC 4.81K, and 24 turnover USDT 552.64 million. We can see a strong bullish move on the 1 hour chart, and support level near about 1,14,500, and major resistance zone is near about 1,18,025. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining me. Right now, we can see high liquidity around 1,15,500 to 1,16,500. Liquidity zone are areas where big buy and sell orders are placed. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends, and BTC is currently trading 1,16,400.0, and change is $2,344.8. And the highest price 1,16,404.3, and 24 lowest price 1,13,583.4, and 24 volume BTC 4.81K, and 24 crown over USDT 553.020. My dear friend, thank you so much, everyone. Okay, my dear friends, right now BTC is currently trading 1,16,423.0, and change is positive $2,298.8, positive 2.01%, and 24 highest price 1,16,444.03. Thank you so much, Crypto King J. Thanks a lot for joining me. And GT also positive 1.39%, MEFI positive 202.012%, DMC positive to 22.47%, and Velvet positive for 74.93%, and Syrup also positive 10.89%, and Zora positive 16.07%, and Pangu also positive 11.4992%, and Toshi also positive 11.49%, and Bio also positive 45.49%, and Agent also positive 9.97%, and Dolo also positive 23.31%. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. Okay, my dear friends, right now we can see the few candles are patterns and the bullish influence buyers are taking control, and long week rejections and showing market indecision or stop hunts. BTC is a forming higher lows, a bullish sign. In this continue, we could break above 1,18,025. Thank you so much, everyone. BTC is currently trading around 1,16,448.6 dollars, and we are seeing a small recovery with bullish pressure on the 1 hour chart. Let's zoom in and understand what the price action is telling us. Support is where buying in interest come in. If price is a halt at support, buyers can take the control. Resistance is where selling pressure appear and the price may resolve. Liquidity is the area where the most orders are placed, and we currently have a strong liquidity between 1,15,500 to 1,16,500. That's the bear market. Makers like to move price to trap retail traders. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, you can see now this is here the support area is 1,12,617.8 dollars. This is a major support zone, and this is also the support area 1,13,405.1 dollars. Okay, and okay, my dear friends, 1,12,605.59.3 dollars. But it's also BTC market is bullish now because BTC is currently trading 1,16,435.2 dollars. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. And this is the liquidity zone because the price is reject in here, and the price 1,14,700 $275.2 is rejected here, and this is also support zone because okay, 1,14,275.2. Okay, my dear friends, and this is okay. This is also is a liquidity zone because okay, my dear friends, और यहाँ से भी प्राइस दो बार सेम रिजेक्ट हुई है और ये एरिया भी हमारा लिक्विडिटी जोन है। और जो अगर पैटर्न की तरफ देखें तो हमारे हायर लॉस बने हुए हैं और डब्ल्यू पैटर्न भी क्रिएट हुआ है और आप देख सकते हैं कि यह मुसलसल जो है वो ग्रीन कैंडल्स बनी है और ये बहुत ही बड़ी ग्रीन कैंडल। बट यहाँ पे जो हमने टाइम फ्रेम देख रहे हैं वो 1 ओवर टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट है और welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. My dear friend, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks. And BTC market is bullish now. Okay, my dear friends, the BTC is currently trading 1,16,434.2 और अब BTC की जो प्राइस है वो 1,18,000 के करीब ज़रूर जा सकती है और आप यहाँ पे बाय कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास है यहाँ पर। okay, my dear friends, wait a little minutes, and this is area is 1,14,275.2 dollars. This is also is a support zone, and this is support, and this is major support zone 1,12,659.3 dollars. BTC is currently trading 1,16,428.3 dollars. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, get users. Thank you so much. Okay, MEFI is positive 201.67%, and DMC also positive 22.54%, and Velvet also positive 74.91%, and Syrup also positive 10.89%, and Zora also positive 16.04%, and Pango also positive 12.27%, and Toshi also positive 11.30%, and Bio also positive 45.53%, and Incheon also positive 9.92%, and Dolo also positive 23.95%. Thank you so much, Edmund. Thanks a lot for your gift. Thank you so much, Edmund. My dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. And this is a 1 over time frame chart, and this area is liquidity zone, and BTC market is bullish now. You can see the BTC market is bullish. डियर फ्रेंड्स, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे बहुत सी कैंडल्स, रेड ग्रीन कैंडल्स जो अपीयर हुई हैं और बहुत ही लंबी फुल बॉडी के साथ। और यहाँ जो कैंडल हम देख रहे हैं ये एक मार्बुजो कैंडल है जो कि पिछली प्रीवियस कैंडल्स 1 2 3 4 5 कैंडल्स से भी ज़्यादा बड़ी है। फुल बॉडी के साथ इसकी ओपनिंग हुई है 1,15,042.7 से, और इसकी क्लोजिंग प्राइस की बात करें तो 1,16,342.6 डॉलर्स। और यहाँ पर thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me, my dear friends. Please like, follow and share this stream. I'm your host Ayla Shinex, and my dear friends, please vote for me. I need your help, my dear friends. Please vote for me. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends. And GT is currently trading $16.713, and change is 0.197%. $197 is around positive 1.19%. And 24 highest price $16.906, and 24 lowest price $16.310, and 24 volume GT is 196.34 K, and 24 turnover USDT 3.25 million. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay, my dear friends. Get contact positions 8.58 billion, positive 4.767%, and liquidations data date get liquidation 2.83 million, 24.61 BTC. Global contract positions 24 hours and 52.16 billion, positive 1.82%, and global liquidation 30.28 billion, 261.09 BTC. Okay, my dear friends, this is a green dot is also showing the BTC. Okay, liquidations long, global liquidations long 5 lakhs 5,73,346.61 dollars, and this is represent global liquidations is short, and 24,000. Okay, 24 lakhs 5,056 500 60 673 $73.1, and 261.09 BTC. Okay, my dear friends, and this is the long get liquidations 4 lakh 33 is 6,693.78 dollars, and this is a short liquidations. Welcome, Jeff. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me, my dear friends. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much for joining me. And short get liquidations. 23 lakhs 98,239.78 dollars is a short liquidations. Okay, my dear friends, and the long 436.69k, 3.77 BTC, and short 2.39 million and 20.84 BTC. And global liquidation 30.28 million and 261.09 BTC, long 5.73 million and 49.95 BTC, and short 24.55 millions and 211.14 BTC. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me, my dear friends. Please like, follow, and share this stream. And my dear friends, please vote for me. And the panic index yesterday 54 is normal, and the greed index is 62 7 August 2025. And last week 74, 72 is greed, and last month 65 is greed. Thank you so much, my dear. Thanks a lot. And block orders future 1.55 billion and 1000 13,181.27 BTC. Okay, my dear friends, and the long 808 8.96 million and 696.29 BTC. And the short 741.56 million and 6,224.59 BTC. And support trading is 315.59 million and 2,712.25 BTC. Okay, my dear friends, is green color is showing to buying, and buying is 168.74 million and for 1,453.35 BTC. Okay, my dear friend, and selling is 146.85 million and 1,258.91 BTC. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear. Thank you so much, everyone. In long and short ratio, global is long is green color are represent, and short is red color. And long 52.71% and short 47.29%. Okay, my dear. And funding rate. Funding rate is next update. Okay, and you are strong selling, sale neutral, and buying sports and 66% buying. Okay. Okay, my dear friend. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Liquidation info 1,16,370.91 is short liquidations, and the liquidation 83.32k and 0.72 BTC, and 1,16,772.50 is short liquidations, and 249 40.90k and the 2.06 BTC, and 1,17,284.60 the short liquidations, and 4.42 million and 37.70 BTC. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends. And liquidation info 1,16,387.60 is the short liquidation, and the 554.70k and 4.77 BTC. And transactions info. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Okay, you can see BTC is currently trading 1,15,767.28 and the quarter positive to 0.52%, and the market sentiment is neutral, holding get 8.58 billion, and the liquidation 6.55 million, and long ratio is a long short ratio. Okay, long 53.64% and funding rate 0.0100%, and global the 52.16 billion and 24 overs 30.28 million, and short 46.36 million, and funding rate 0.0100%. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. And Ethereum is currently trading $3,775.99, and is positive 3.42% is the changing price, 3,000 maximum 3.42%, and the market sentiment is a neutral gauge 4.9293 billion and 1 over 1.989 million, and long trading 54.26%, and short 45.74%, and the funding rate 0.026%. Okay, my dear friends, and this is about Ethereum. Ethereum is currently trading 3,775.99%, $99. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends, in GT is also currently trading 16.67 dollars, positive 1.19%, and market sentiment is selling in the gate 2.99 million, and global 2.99 millions, and 1 over 0 and 24 over 33.07 dollars, and long 42.59%, and short 57.41%, and positive 0.003838%. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friend, and the XRP is also positive, and you can see is currently trading $0.15 is the market sentiment is neutral and gate 894.38 millions and global 4.74 billions and 1 over 683.934 k and for 24 hours 4.93 millions and long 62.35% and short 37.65% and positive 0.0100%. My dear friend, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends, and the BNB is currently trading $771.98 and positive 0.58%, and market sentiment is neutral. Gate 168.55 millions and the global 1.01 billions, 1 over 135.20 k and 24 over 589.29 k. Okay, my dear friends, and 57.202% and short 42.98% and the funding rate 0.0032% and my dear friend, this is about BNB. Now my dear friends, the market is also bullish and BNB Solana is 171.36 dollars and positive 1.97% and the market sentiment is neutral. Market sentiment is neutral and get 168.151. Okay, and 1.404 B and is a global 6.79 billions and 1 over 792.82 K and 24 over 7.40 millions and long 64.65% and short 35.35% and positive 0.0100%. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream, my dear friends, and please vote for me. I'm your host, Eilish Nix, and I'm your friend. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Okay, and hype. Hype is 38.57, is currently trading in $38.57 and positive 0.16%, and the market sentiment is neutral, get 6.391 million, and the global 467.97%, 7 million. Okay, my dear friends, and 1 over 6.65 k and 24 over 107.67 k and long 64.31% and short 35.70% and funding rate 0.0050% and soy also positive. It's currently trading $3.5952 and positive. Positive 3.43% in market sentiment is neutral, get 316.22 millions and global 1.31 billions. Welcome to my dear friends, welcome and thank you so much for joining me, my dear. Okay, my dear friends, and Long is 63.10% and short 36.90 billions 90%, and funding rate is 0.0100%. Okay, my dear friends, and the ADA is also currently trading $0.7538 and positive 2.03%. Market sentiment is neutral and gate 231.05 billions and global 1.33 billions. Okay, 1 over 236.59k and 24 hours 862.25k. Okay, my dear friends, and long is 68.84% and short 31.16%, and funding rate 0.004%. Okay, my dear, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And TRX $0.3389 and positive 1.38%. Market sentiment is neutral. Get 24.43% millions and global 457.16 millions and 1 over 5.49k and 24 over 167.80k and long 53.56% and short 46.44% and the market funding rate 0.0005%. And Dodge 0.0297 and positive 2.83% and market sentiment is neutral. Get 767.74 millions and global 3.72 billions. And 1 over 1.1 is millions and 24 hours 4.28 millions and long 72.54% and short 72.46% and positive 0.0058%. Thank you so much, my dear. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friend, XLM is also positive 0.4075% and positive 2.52%, and the market sentiment is neutral. Get for 5.67% millions and global 283.43 millions and 1 over 17.55k and 24 over 368.18k and long 56.86% and short 43.34% and positive 0.0049%. Okay, my dear friends, and the XLM, okay, Tron is also is currently trading $3.2714 and is also positive 1.28%. The market sentiment is neutral. Get 115.25 billions and global 431.00 millions. And 1 over 14.242k and the 24 over 103.48k and the long 70.03% and short 29.97% and positive 0.0050%. My dear friends, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, everyone. Please like, follow, and share this stream. And link is currently trading $17.12 and positive 2.757% and market sentiment is neutral. Get 177.93 millions and global 723.72 billions and 1 over 61.51k and 24 overs 543.88k. and long 64.71% and shorts 35.29% and positive 0.0054% and CRO is also currently trading 0.1466 dollars and positive 2.07%. Market sentiment is neutral and get 1.28 millions in global 537.46 millions. Okay, and 1 over $0 and 24 or 1.90k and the long 51.60% and short 48.40% and the warning rate 0.01000%. Okay, my dear friend, the Haber. Haber is currently trading $0.2500 and positive is 1.92% and the market sentiment is neutral get for 7.74 millions and global 332.58 millions and 1 hours 22.30k and 24 hours and 235.63k and long 58.31% and short 41.69% and first funding rate 0.0040%. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please, my dear friends, and like, follow, and share this stream, my dear friends. Okay, my dear friends, BCH is currently trading 577.84k at $4 and positive 1.30% in market sentiment neutral get 12.18 millions and global 720.13 millions 1 over sub 16.747k and the 24 over 516 and 19.71k and long 54.53% and short 45.47% and positive 0.003434%. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me, my dear friends. Please like, follow, and share this stream, my dear friends. And AVAX is currently trading 22.58% dollars and positive 1.90%. Market sentiment neutral get 71.96 millions and global 663.66 millions 1 over 27.25k and 24 overs 195.13%. 13k and the long 66.21% and short 33.79% and funding rate 0.0088%. Okay, my dear friends, welcome. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay. UNI $10.00 and 3.73% and market sentiment is neutral get 147.24 per millions and global 516.68 millions 1 over 7.43 k and 24 over 320.756 k and long 65.03% and short 34.97% and funding rate 0.0100%. WLD 0.9880 and positive 3.72%. The market sentiment is neutral get 7.62 per millions and global 173.61 millions and 1 over 10.33k and 24 over 187.01k and the long 6.69% and short 33.31% and funding rate 0.01 1.00%. Ondo is currently trading $0.9661 and positive 3.77%, and market sentiment is neutral and holding get 11.63 millions, and global trend is 83.20 millions, and liquidations 2.97k and 24 over 137.37k, and long 65.18% and short 34.82% and funding rate 0.0050%, and the LTC is currently trading $119.21 and positive 1.28%. And market sentiment is neutral and get to 38.71 millions, and global 867.64 millions, and 1 over 52.01k, and 24 overs 2.17 millions, and long 62.45%, and short 37.55%, and funding rate 0.0018%. EN is currently trading $0.6301 and positive 6.71%, and market sentiment is neutral and get 17.69 millions, and global 48.94 millions, and liquidation 159.99k and 3.91 millions. And Trump is currently trading $8.9432 and positive 1.48%. Market sentiment is neutral, get 9.09 billions, and global 259.84 billions, and 1 over 2.44k, 24 over 141.29k, and the long 70.36%, and short 29.64% and positive 0.0050%. Shiba is also currently trading 0.000125 and positive 1.59%. Market sentiment is neutral. Get 99.72 millions, and global 239.00 millions, and 101.81k, and the 24 over 171.78k, and long 64.76% and short 35.24%, and funding rate 0.000100%. And IP is currently trading $5.9551 and positive 3.2923%, and market sentiment is neutral and get 2.37 billion, and global 139.52 millions, and 1 over 15.61k, and the 24 over 247 24.10k, and the long 38.99%, and short 61.01%, and the funding rate 0.0039%. And Dot is currently trading 3.472795 and positive 1.80%. Market sentiment is neutral. Market sentiment is neutral and gate 8.39 millions and global 293.85 millions. Okay, my dear friend, thank you so much, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. And 1 over time frame 100 2.12%, $12 and 24 over 145.73 k, and long 70.51%. And short 29.49%, and the funding deposit 0.0214%, and FIL fill is currently trading $2.411 and positive 1.94%, and market sentiment neutral get 10.68 billions and global to 214.43 billions, and 1 over 3.01 k, and 24 overs 272.70 k, and long 70.34%, and short 29.66%, and positive 0.0100%, and Pepe is also currently trading $0.001069 and positive 1.98%. The market sentiment neutral get 233.74 millions and global to 780.59 millions. Welcome, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining me, my dear. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream, and also vote for me, my dear friends. Please like, follow, please vote for me. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, and long 65.40% and short 34.60%, and funding rate 0.00504%. And AV is also currently trading $270.41 and positive 3.61%. The market sentiment neutral get for 7.46 millions and global 437.92 millions. Okay, my dear friends, and Pi is currently trading $0.3567. Pi is also decrease and decrease. And positive 4.13%, and market sentiment neutral get 10.65 millions and 71.62 millions, and 1 over 8.41 k, and 24 over 34.55 k, and long 71.99%, and short 28.01%, and funding rate funding rate is negative 0.0031%. Oh my dear friends. Okay, positive 0.0050%. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. Okay, my dear friends, and ABR is currently trading 0.4005. 0.4005 and positive 3.70% market sentiment neutral get 10.49 millions and global 232.05 millions, and 1 over 8.41 k, and the 24 over 34.55 k, my dear friends, is long 71.99% and short to 28.00%. Okay, my dear friends, and funding rate 0.0050%. And thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. And DXC is currently trading 0.09307 and minus 0.055% and market sentiment sale, and they get 465 60 40 56 more 456.79k, and the global 44.19 4.12 millions, and 1 over $0 24 over 4.77k, and the long 40.92% and short 59.08%. And funded like 0.0050%, and JU pitch up and is currently trading $0.4884. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. Oh. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Thanks a lot. And the DXC is currently trading $0.0930, and also negative is 0.55%, and market sentiment is selling, and get 456 0.479 k, and the global 4.12 millions, and 1 over 0 and 24 over 4.77 k, and long 40.92k, and the short 59.08%. And funding rate is 0.0050%. And pump is also currently trading $0.003279, and minus 0.281%. In market sentiment is neutral, get 12.04 millions, and global 217.95 millions. Okay, 1 over 8.08 k, and 24 over 1.00 millions. And long 60.85%, and short 39.15%, funding rate 0.00505%, and near 0.5510%, $10, and positive 2.13%, and neutral. Market sentiment is neutral, get 7.97 millions, and global 279.008 millions, and 1 over 1 over 11.38k, and the 24 over 143.492k, and the long $64.27, and the short 35.73%, and funding rate 0.0100%, and the Pango is also positive, is currently trading $0.03623, and positive 6.55%. And market sentiment is neutral, get 7.97 per millions, and global 279.08 millions. And 1 over 11.38k, and 24 over 143.92k, and the long 64.27%, and short 35.373%. And funding rate positive 0.0100%. Okay, my dear friends, and pump is also currently trading $0.00327 and minus 0.281%, and market sentiment is neutral, get 12.04 millions, and global 215.95 millions, and 11 1 over 8.08k, 24 hour 1.00 millions and long 60.85% and short 39.151%. Okay, my dear friends. And near is currently trading $2.5510. And Gear 7.97 millions and Global 279.08 millions and 1 over 11.38k and 24 over 143.92 k and long 64.27% and short 35.73%. And funding rate 0.01000%. And Penguin is also currently trading $0.03623 and positive 6.51%, and the market sentiment is neutral. Get 6.24 millions and global 309.53 millions and 1 over 54.42k and 24 overs 1.15 millions and long 50.616% and shorts 49.85% and positive 0.0050%. And etc. ETC is currently trading 20.65% dollars and positive 2.06%. And the market sentiment is neutral and get 12.56 millions and global 212.4645 millions and 1 over 407.69 $67 and 24 over 261.86k and long 66.08k 08% short 33.92% and the funding rate 0.0100%. My dear friend, thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Please, my dear friends, like, follow, and share this stream. And my dear friends, please vote for me. I need your help, my dear. Please like, follow, and share. Thank you so much, my dear friends. You vote for me, and you get the draw chances, and you get the more and more gifts and PPGT and also iPhone and more and more, my dear friends. Please vote for me, okay? SEI is currently trading 0.3049 and deposit 4.61% and market sentiment is neutral. Holding is get 3.31 millions and global 235.58 millions and liquidation 1 over 1.09k and 24 over 114.75k and long 58.15% and short 41.85% and the funding rate 0.0054% and OP. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot for joining me, my dear friends. Please like, follow, and share this stream. Thank you so much, everyone. And I ICP is currently trading $5.2437 and positive 2.48% and market sentiment neutral. Get 1.493 millions and global 119.67 millions and 1 over 224.75 dollars and 24 overs 14.03 k. Welcome to everyone, welcome all get users. Thank you so much for joining me, my dear friends. And long 63.38% and short 36.62% and funding rate 0.0100%. And ENS is currently trading $27.02 and positive 2.98%, and market sentiment is neutral. Get Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me, my dear friends. And ICP is currently trading $5.2437 and positive 2.48%. Market sentiment neutral. Get 1.93 millions and global 119.67 millions and 1 over $224.75 and 24 over 14.03 k and short long $63.38 and short 36.62 millions and funding rate 0.0100%. ENS is currently $27.02 and positive 2.98%. Market sentiment is neutral. Get 2.60 millions and global 118.25 millions and 1 over $0 and 24 overs 29.21 k and long 55.59% and short is 44.41% and the funding rate 0.0100%. And Paul is currently trading $0.23880 and positive 5.56% market sentiment neutral. Can they get 1.83 millions and global 111.15 millions and 1 over 5.64 k and 24 150.63 k 63k and long 55.30% and short 44.70% and funding rate 0.0050%. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, in the FRLR 0.0234 and is positive 1.79%. Market sentiment is neutral. Get 244.07 k and the global 5.58 millions and 1 over 0 and 24 over $0. And long 62.02% and short 37.98% and funding rate 0.0100% and KAS is currently trading $0.08919 and positive 1.53%. Market sentiment is neutral. Get 11.51% and global 163.62 millions and 1 over 311.28 millions and $28 and 24 over 11.17 k and long 60.77% and short at 9.23% and funding rate 0.0050% and form is currently trading 3.86 X 8609 and positive 1.98%. Market sentiment is neutral. At 1.03 millions and global 87.69 millions and 1 over to $23.25 and 24 over 75.55 k and long 34.06% and short 65.94% and positive 0.0050%, and bonk is currently trading 0.00002542 dollars and positive 4.14%, and market sentiment neutral get to 6.36 millions and global 117.76 millions and 1 over 0 and 624 over 157.25k and long 55.60% and short 44.40% and funding rate 0.0001000%. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, my dear friends, please like, follow, and share this, and don't forget to vote for me. Okay, my dear friends, please vote for me. I'm your host, Eyelash Next, and my dear friends, please vote for me. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. Okay, my dear friends. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. And my dear friends, please like, follow, and share this stream. And K 2025 Mid-Year Community Gala and official selection end in 7 days, 13 hours, and 43 minutes and 22 seconds are left. My dear friends, please like, follow, and share, and please support me, and please vote for me. Okay, vote for live streamers. My name is two categories, and also a new stream. Uh, I'm a new streamer. Okay, eyelash next, and please vote for me, my dear friends. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so